we've had a few teams previously in France with the Champions Cup, but I've never played here with Bayonne. But I think most of the teams probably similar with the it's I think a bit of a hostile environment because you get passionate support here. The stadiums are usually full and it's loud games. It kind of, if you think in terms of a game, it makes the lineouts can be overwhelming with the lineouts. So we kind of have to prepare differently in that way, make sure the right goals come through. But yeah, no, it's I think we don't know. I don't know much about Bayonne. I haven't played them before, but by the look of things, it's going to be a big set piece battle. You know, usually big French sides, big back and forwards. Come scrum time, they like to maul a lot. So yeah, I think it's going to be a big battle in set piece terms.